This short video will guide you through simple and effective steps to create a strong password and keep your online accounts safe. Step 1. Create a unique and complex password. This means using a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using personal information like your name, date of birth, or address, as these can be easily guessed. Step 2. Use a password manager to help you generate and remember strong passwords. Password managers store all your passwords in an encrypted format and make it easy to use different passwords for different accounts. Examples of good password managers include LastPass, Bitwarden, and Dashlane. Step 3. Change your password frequently. It is recommended that you change your password every 3 months to ensure maximum security. However, ensure you don't reuse the same password across multiple websites or accounts. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, requiring you to enter a code or use your fingerprint or face for access in addition to your password. This helps prevent accounts from unauthorized access even when an attacker gains access to your password. In conclusion, creating a strong password and taking steps to keep your account secure is essential in the digital age we live in. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can decrease your risk of becoming a victim of cybercrime and protect your valuable data and online identity. Stay safe online. Start with your password.